Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're going to jump right into it. Y'all know me, man. I am a member of a lot of forums. This particular forum I'm headed to now is the Ram 1500 forum. Ram, Dodge Ram, whatever y'all want to call it. It may not be Dodge Ram. Ram 1500. The major complaint going on over there right now, or the major discussion going on over there right now, is simply the heater. We're still in the midst of wintertime, right? So everybody's having problems with their heater. In particular, problems on a particular side, all right? A lot of people are experiencing heat on the passenger side and not the driver's side. Now, I did a live stream video discussing that and discussing the problem behind that. Nobody seems to believe me but a few, okay? It takes somebody out there in the field, guys, to do this stuff, to go through this stuff on a daily, to actually repair one, to actually know symptoms before and after, okay? Before I did the repair, yes, I was getting no heat out of the driver's side. After I did the repair, wow, all of a sudden, magically, I got heater on both sides fully, all right? So I've done countless of these repairs, but no matter how I tend to explain it, it seemed hard to believe and fathom. So I gathered up some pictures to describe it better, and I come up with the sense that it's all in the magic of how the housing is built, the HVAC housing, all right? But first, we're going to talk about, let's go into the form. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to jump right into it.
All right, guys, this video right here, I'm discussing the heater core. This is a truck I was getting ready to do. Now, I thought I would have this truck HVAC housing out because I wanted to show you the inside of the housing to show you what I'm talking about as far as how the ducts are set up to where you will be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. What we're discussing is why you can get heat out one side and not the other. Again, guys, in my opinion, it all depends on the HVAC box and how the heater core is sitting in the HVAC box. Now, where I'm headed now is to the detail department. I want to grab a water hose and I want to show you something. Okay, this is the heater core that my guy replaced in the back. The heater core in question that we're talking about. Now I'm going to set this hose right here and you can watch it flow. It's kind of dirty. Yes, it's trash in there. It's dirty in there, but it's not restricted. If I can blow in one end and come out the other and vice versa, yes, guys, it's not restricted, okay? But, however, that doesn't mean it's not, I don't even know what words to use. That doesn't mean it's not clogged. It's not, we're going to find out. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this thing open, guys. That is exactly what I'm doing now. I'm going to cut it open. I'm going to cut the bottom portion out first, all right? Because, like I said before, depending on the HVAC housing, how it's set up, okay, y'all know how the heat work. Okay, a blower motor is designed to blow on a heater core and essentially blow out heat, guys. But the box got it set up to where the heat will blow out different areas to your choosing. All right, now I got the bottom piece cut out. I want y'all to see something. Okay, this is the bottom portion of this heater core. This is the portion, in my opinion, that goes to the driver's side, the one that's not getting a lot of airflow and the one that's not getting a lot of heat. Okay, yes. All right. Now, will that Sierra Law stuff y'all bring up fix that? Likely not. Again, we're not in a position to gamble or try. All right. So I flushed it out with water. Okay, I verified that it's not physically restricted from a standpoint of won't come out the other end, but that's not good enough, guys. So now what I'm doing now, I'm gonna cut out the top part and we're gonna compare the two. In my opinion, the way this heater core is sitting in the box, that is exactly what I'm about to show you. In other words, the top portion of this heater core goes to the passenger department in the event the vent is open. Okay, and the bottom portion goes to the driver's side. That's why it's possible to have more airflow. You see this, how dirty the bottom part is versus the top. Okay, the top part, remember, goes to the passenger. The bottom goes to the driver. The problem with this car is there's no airflow on the driver's side. A lot of people argue me down. It can't be the heater core. Yes, it can. This whole fins, I should have cut this thing up some more. Here's an example right here. You see this cardboard inside the HVAC box separate the two. Again, a blower motor is on the other side. When the blower motor is blowing, if one, which is the bottom part, restricted, yeah, that driver's side is not going to get no airflow or heat. All right. Now, let me do one better. Let me cut the top part of the other end out. Okay, I was really confused and I really wanted to verify some things. Yeah, okay. This is the bottom portion of the other side simply. Okay, yeah, so it's a little bit more dirtier on that side. Guys, let me tell you something. A flush job would not do nothing for this. All right. Yes, that is nasty. Okay, you can't clean that out to the point where you're going to get proper flow. It is too far gone. Now, what caused it? I don't know. One will argue you haven't been flushing it. That's a good point. All right. Now, I want to show you guys a picture. All right. A better explanation picture, in fact, that would better, I guess, explain it from a visual standpoint. Because remember, I'm just, I meant to bring this heater core home so I can show you some things. But in the event like this is the HVAC. It's blocked off. Portion of it is blocked off. One going to the driver's side and one's going to the passenger side. Now, let's do this. Take a look at this picture right here. Okay, again, guys, I don't want to read no comments until I'm ready, until I'm done with this. Take a look at this. Okay, do y'all see right here, the bottom portion of this? Do y'all see see what this read? Now take a look at this. Let's focus on this. Okay, here's the blower motor. If it's blowing on the full heater core, but the bottom portion of the heater core is restricted or dirty, you're not going to get airflow out the driver's side. It's just simple as that, guys. If the top part is not restricted, you're going to get all the heat going to come out the passenger side, which is this. So this is a better picture that better explains it. The bottom portion of this heater core is contaminated badly. Now, here's a duct. I found a picture or video footage of the HVAC housing. Take a look at this, guys. Now, you see this HVAC housing, the doors. Matter of fact, this is a better picture. Okay, you see these two flaps right here. One's obviously going to passenger. If this is a dual climate setup or depends on the setup, guys. Remember, always check your actuators first. We passed that. Yes, we have checked the actuators. So the way the box is set up would dictate what portion of the heater core gets distributed. Okay, blower motor going to blow on this heater core, and the ideal or the objection or in the real world, evenly distributed heat should come off this heater core going into the ducts evenly. All right. Yes, evenly. That's the way that should be in the real world. All right. Now, I'm going to go back to, this guy, he putting his heater core in. He's just going to set it down. You can really see it from that standpoint. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to come back in and I'm going to speak to everybody and we're going to start this discussion. All right. Here's the crud. Remember when I cut the heater core open? I cut the bottom part, right? And it looked just like this, right? Core clogged. That's what that says. It looked just like that. Now, I cut this part open. It was fairly clean. Now, look inside this box. This is an implication of the HVAC box. Here's the blower motor blowing. This is the heater core right here. If the bottom part, which is this right here, is sludged up and clogged up, and the bottom part just so happened to feed the driver's side duct, you're not going to get airflow, people. Okay, not only are you going to get low heat, you might not even get air, period. Think about it. It's the upper side. It's clear. Right here, it's the upper side. It's clear. Okay, the blower motor blowing on the full heater core, but because the bottom is sludged up, no airflow at the driver's side, airflow and heat at the passenger side. Ding, 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 ding. That's what I'm talking about. That's the best way I can explain it.